All right, so it's been nearly 5 months I've been using the S26 Ultra, and all things considered, I've enjoyed my experience. The battery life, the display, the cameras, the newly added AirDrop capability. For my needs and use cases, this thing is as close to perfect as it gets. And when it comes to getting the most out of the S26 Ultra, there's a ton of options as far as accessories, from cases, chargers, earbuds, to less common things like XR glasses. You name it, I've pretty much tried it. But if there's one accessory I feel like has been the best investment for my S26 Ultra, it's this right here. This is a 15-inch portable monitor from Uperfect. It was $160, so not terribly expensive, and the amount of use I get out of this thing is insane. Lately, I've really been into experimenting with ways I can use my phone for being productive on the go versus carrying something like my laptop. And the fact this monitor is rechargeable, it's got a built-in battery, paired with the fact that I can wirelessly connect my S26 Ultra and get a desktop-style interface is such a convenient option. I can run multiple apps, I can open multiple tabs, whether I'm researching, writing, responding to emails, and it honestly feels like using a laptop. It's seamless, there's no lag, and the fact it all runs off my phone is still something I find impressive till this day. For as long as it's been around, Samsung DeX is one of those things I still don't think gets enough credit. The versatility it brings to the table is beyond clutch. Now, as far as the monitor, I do wish they had like a 13-inch or maybe a 14-inch option for around the same price. I definitely would have gone that route just to make the setup more convenient to travel with. Now, they do have a 14-inch option, but it's actually more expensive. It's got a higher resolution, some better specs, and I also think it's a touchscreen. And for this setup to make sense, I didn't want it to be too expensive. I feel like once you start talking a few $100, you may as well start looking into a tablet or a budget-friendly laptop. But for $160, if you have an S26 Ultra or really any Samsung phone with DeX, it's a good way to get a basic laptop experience from a device you already own without spending too much additional money. And even though the 15-inch is a little larger than what I would prefer, it's still super lightweight at less than 2 pounds, and it's still easy to travel with. It fits into my bag with no issue, and I can stop by a library, a coffee shop, and get things done without needing my laptop. And even if I'm going like on a trip out of town, if I know I don't have to do any heavy lifting like edit videos, I could see myself packing this instead of my laptop. It weighs less, it obviously costs less. I wouldn't be as concerned if something was to happen to it. Worst case scenario, say I left it in a hotel or something like that, that's a much easier pill to swallow compared to my M5 Max. Now, one thing to keep in mind, if you're somebody that actually uses your laptop in your lap quite a bit, you can't really do that with this. This does require a table or a desk. So that's just something to keep in mind. Now, one accessory that goes great with the S26 Ultra, no matter where you are, is the MagBack Elite case. This thing uses the most insane magnets with up to 3 times the strength of a standard case, which means you can stick your phone to any magnetic surface. My favorite use case is by far the gym. If you don't want your phone flapping around in your pocket, but you still want access to it, this is definitely one of the best solutions. And aside from having insane magnetic strength, it's a solid case. It gives you great protection. It even comes with an optional screen protector. The case itself is relatively slim. It's got rubber grips, which means fewer drops, and there's even a built-in finger loop for that extra security. And for a more personal touch, you can choose different color accessories on their website. It also works great with any of your favorite MagSafe accessories, like the MagBack Smart Wallet, on top of holding up to 5 cards and being Google Find Hub and Apple Find My compatible. It can also be used as a kickstand to prop up your phone, and it too has a built-in finger loop. It uses real leather, which looks and feels better with time, not to mention it protects your cards with RFID blocking technology. So make sure you check out MagBack and their S26 Ultra accessories using the link in the description. Now, getting back to the Uperfect monitor, another selling point is it comes with a foldable Bluetooth keyboard with a touchpad to make typing and navigation easier. To be honest, the keyboard is just okay. It's not my favorite portable keyboard. Some of the keys are different sizes, which takes some getting used to. Also, the touchpad isn't the best. It's a little slow, it lags a little bit, which is why I prefer this keyboard instead. This is one I already had laying around, and the biggest difference is all the keys are the same size, so it's a lot easier to get used to. And for navigation, I prefer to use this portable mouse, which I also already had laying around. It's from Logitech, it's super small, super compact, and it works great for this type of use case. And both accessories are pretty affordable, so if you're interested, I will put those links in the description. Now, as far as the battery life of the monitor, it's got an 8,000 milliamp hour battery, and it gives you about 3 to 4 hours per charge. And if the battery is low, you can use it while it's plugged in thanks to 2 USB-C ports. There's also a micro HDMI port, which means you can use this with gaming devices as well, which we'll talk more about shortly. There's also 2 built-in speakers, but honestly, if you want the best audio setup, you're going to be better off with something like headphones or earbuds. Now, another thing worth pointing out is the build quality. This thing feels really nice in the hand, especially the built-in kickstand. It's super sturdy. You can literally adjust it to any angle you want, and I'm pretty sure it's made out of metal. There's also 2 mounting points in the back, so if you want to use this as some type of dedicated setup, you could easily mount it permanently wherever you want. And when you pair this with the S26 Ultra, it opens up a new level of versatility. But the real reason I feel like this has been one of my best investments in a long time is because aside from the S26 Ultra, I found a ton of ways to put this thing to use. For starters, it also supports AirPlay, so it works great with my MacBook as an extra monitor. If I'm in my office, I can use it as a third monitor for extra real estate, and if I'm anywhere else, it works great as a second monitor. As much as I enjoy my laptop, the 14-inch screen does feel a little cramped at times. Now, as far as the display itself, it's honestly nothing special. It's 1080p, it's not an OLED, so the contrast levels aren't overly impressive. But if all you need is a bigger screen to see things better or just get things done, it's perfectly fine, especially when you consider the price. Now, like I mentioned earlier, you do get a micro HDMI port, so you can use this for gaming. I recently bought a Nintendo Switch just to play with my kids, and I'm one of those parents that refuses to put a TV in my kids' room permanently. But with this, I can set up shop temporarily, and we can get in a few rounds of Mario Kart whenever we want. Or if I need time to myself just to get some things done around the house, I can turn on a movie, let the kids hang out for a bit, and do whatever I need to do. And the monitor even comes with all the cables you need, including an HDMI to micro HDMI. Also, I've recently tried to be more consistent with my workouts, and one thing I've done is use this to watch content while I do cardio. I just use Smart View on my S26 Ultra to stream whatever I want, and it works. So for 160 bucks, I definitely feel like I've been getting my money's worth out of this thing. So again, this feels like one of the better investments I've made in quite some time. If you want to check it out, I will have the link in the description. And let me know if this is something you could see yourself using. Also, let me know your favorite accessories for the S26 Ultra. And aside from that, appreciate you guys for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one.